Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of your family in this difficult global time altogether by following all the instructions issued by your local government and health authorities. So guys, I get this question a lot of times that how did I get my job here in Canada? So my situation was somewhat different from other immigrants because if you have watched my immigration story, so I came here on a work permit holder first, and then I got the permanent residence, and from there things turned up. So because I was already on a work permit, I mean I was already working. So when I got the permanent residence, I was not in any kind of hurriedness to get a job soon because I was already in a job. So I started like job search. Of course, I wanted to make a change for better opportunities. Everyone does. So I started like uploading my profile in some job sites, in some job agencies. I even went to meet at some job agencies. Then I did some research like in your CV, what are the things an employer looks for. So I modified my CV based on that. Like there were some points I had to highlight, like my certifications and other things, achievements. Those things I put some focus on my CV, and then I had prepared it. So I had an interview first conducted at a firm in Guelph. I went there, so I was like bit confident that I would get that job, but even after performing well in the interview, I was not selected. I'll be very honest to you guys. I got a bit upset because I did not realize, because I was technically able to answer almost all the questions except a few, and overall the way I prepared and in my self analysis it was good, but I really did not know how it happened. The next call I got was from an IT company in Toronto itself. This time I was selected. But why I did not join the job was like they were offering me less package what I used to get. So although it was not too less, but they were not going beyond that, even less. So I said like, what is the point of switching if I am gonna get the less salary? So that really did not make any sense to me, and I stopped over there. In my third interview, which I finally cracked, so I'll discuss about that. So that job was posted on Indeed. I mean, from there I applied, I got an interview call, I went there, and after multiple rounds, I got a call after a few days that I was selected. That time I was very happy, and things went fine with me. I put a notice for a few weeks at my present organization, and then I switched my job. But I understand like so for many people this would be like a dream job search, because when you're already working at an organization and then you had to move to some other organization, then it's always comfortable. You don't get the stress of desperately looking for a job in order to support yourself. So I understand that situation, but I actually did not go through it because as I said, I was already working at a job and they were even ready to, I mean, hold me for long. But I switched it, I moved to other job, and since then I'm over there. So this is what the situation, I mean, I have faced and how I got. But yes, this is not true for a lot of people, those who come here just on PR and then they start looking for jobs. Many of them even initially do supporting jobs in order to support themselves, and then or I should use the word surviving jobs in order to support themselves, and once they get it, then from there they take it further. So that is what my story is, so I'm sharing here with you guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.